Hello and welcome to the channel. I have two packages here, but it's got my address on both sides of both of them. So, yeah. I'm gonna have to open them off camera. But I'll show you what I got though, once I open them. I'm pretty sure I know what's in both of them. Okay, there's that one. Oh, okay. It's not quite the one I thought it was, but that's fine. And this box will come in handy for something else afterwards. Nice. So I got my zombie mole man. Sweet. And I will cut the tape. Alright, awesome. Now I already do have the card. I did have another one, but it's unfortunately gone. I'm trying to get all these guys back. I did order a rhino. I did find most of these other ones. Yeah, I gotta try and get back the ones that are missing. I still have the team base as well. So yeah. And in the second package, purple dice. Perfect. I think there's either 50 or 100 in there. I can't quite remember how many. But yeah, there's a decent amount in there. Alright. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and have a good one.